Are you looking for simple, natural ways to boost your male performance without expensive supplements or gym memberships? You're in the right place. Today, we're talking about home exercises that can improve strength, stamina, confidence, and overall male performance, all from the comfort of your home. First up, squats. Squats are one of the most powerful full-body exercises. They increase testosterone production, improve blood circulation, and strengthen your legs and core. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps daily. Next is push-ups. Push-ups build upper body strength, improve endurance, and enhance core stability. A stronger upper body also supports better posture and confidence. Try 3 sets of 10 to 20 push-ups, depending on your fitness level. Third, planks. Planks strengthen your core muscles, which play a key role in stamina and control. Hold a plank for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat it 3 times. Another important exercise is Kegel exercises. These target the pelvic floor muscles and are well known for improving control and performance. Simply tighten the muscles you'd use to stop urine flow, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Do this 10 to 15 times daily. Finally, jogging or jumping jacks. Cardio exercises improve heart health and blood flow, which is essential for overall performance. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Remember, consistency is the key. Combine these exercises with good sleep, a healthy diet, and stress control for best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more fitness and performance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.